Google Business Profile is a powerful tool for businesses to boost visibility, connect with customers, and grow their online presence. However, many business owners make mistakes that prevent them from getting the most out of this platform. In this video, we'll go over the most common Google Business Profile mistakes in 2025 and how to avoid them to ensure your profile works effectively for your business. One of the most frequent mistakes is incomplete or inaccurate business information. This includes incorrect phone numbers, addresses, hours of operation, or website links. Inconsistent information can confuse customers and hurt your search rankings. Always double check your details and keep them updated whenever changes occur, so potential clients can easily reach you. Another common mistake is neglecting photos and visuals. Profiles without high-quality images or videos appear less appealing and may fail to attract clicks or engagement. Make sure to upload images of your storefront, team, products, services, and even behind-the-scenes content. Visuals make your profile more engaging and help customers understand what your business offers. Ignoring customer reviews is also a significant mistake. Many businesses either fail to respond to reviews or leave negative feedback unaddressed. Positive reviews boost credibility, while responding professionally to negative reviews shows that you value customer feedback and care about improving your service. Engaging with reviews consistently can make a big difference in your online reputation. Another error is not posting updates or using Google Posts. Regular updates about promotions, events, or announcements signal to customers and Google that your business is active. Profiles that don't use posts often appear less dynamic and may rank lower in search results. Similarly, failing to answer questions in the Q&A section is a missed opportunity to provide helpful information and build trust with potential clients. Many businesses also ignore insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides valuable data on how customers find your listing and what actions they take. Not monitoring this data can prevent you from optimizing your profile, missing opportunities to improve engagement, and losing potential leads. Regularly checking analytics allows you to make informed decisions about updates, posts, and marketing strategies. Finally, some businesses make the mistake of overloading their profile with keywords or spammy content. While optimization is important, excessive keywords or misleading information can hurt your profile and even lead to penalties from Google. Focus on clear, accurate, and customer-friendly descriptions that highlight what your business truly offers. By avoiding these common mistakes, incomplete information, poor visuals, ignoring reviews, neglecting posts, overlooking analytics, and keyword misuse, you can ensure your Google Business Profile is effective, professional, and engaging. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Optimize your Google Business Profile today and turn it into a powerful tool for growing your business online.